Most kids' gyms don't fail because of the location. They don't fail because of the marketing. They fail because someone filled a room with equipment and thought that that was a business. It's not the equipment that drives repeat visits. It's the design, the concept, the layout, the safety features, all of it working together. That's what makes a parent walk into a space and immediately know this is somewhere they'll bring their child back to week after week. This is an outcome that Moon Kids work to engineer long before the doors to the gym open. It starts with the very first conversation, the brief, the design process, every decision made along the way. When we sit down with a client, we start with the vision. What do they want the space to achieve? Who is it for? What experience should a child have when they walk in? What should a parent feel? From those answers, the concept takes shape. The programming, the layout, the flow of the space. Everything that follows is built around that vision. One partner, one contract, one outcome, all under one roof. Moon Kids are the leading experts in children's gym and play space design across the UAE. We've seen every challenge, solved every problem, and delivered every kind of concept. Gymnastic academies, physical play, developmental spaces for occupational therapy, physiotherapy, and sensory integration. You're not figuring this out as you go. You're working with people who already know the way. Moon Kids, we build the foundation your business stands on.